fix our tach. All right, so based on the instructions that MSD has, I have to put this on the 4th ignition coil, and right now I have it on the 3rd one, which I don't know why I have it on the 3rd one. The wire is correct, but I need to change it from the 3rd to the 4th ignition coil. If I can't get that to work, there's a couple other places I might try to get a pickup signal from. All right, now we just got to start her up and see if we can get a better tach signal now. Okay, it's overkill, but quad spring setup. Low reading. I'm gonna try one more time and then that's it. All right, whatever. Alright, that was a good little test drive. Did some medium pulls, nothing crazy. Tach is still not working, which I don't know why the tach is not working. That's like my main priority right now because with the straight pipe, it's hard to tell where I'm at in the RPM range, and a tach would help tremendously. So I might have to buy a new one if I can't get that one to work, which I'll try to play with it off camera and hopefully I can figure something out. But tomorrow, my boy Kapel is coming. You guys know Kapel if you watch the channel. If you don't, I'll have a card. Go watch all the test drive videos. He's usually always there when we want to push the car pretty hard. Basically, we're going to get on the street, push the car super hard with the straight pipe, clutch dumps, all that fun stuff. We're going to be doing all of that, some hard pulls. I don't think on this channel you guys have ever seen me actually do hard pulls on the street. If you watch the street drifting videos, which I'll have another card on the screen, that's like the hardest I pushed the car on the channel that you guys have seen. So tomorrow's going to be us pushing the car the hardest it's been pushed on the street since I've owned the car, and with the straight pipe. So that's tomorrow. I'll see you guys then, and then we're gonna go on the drive with Kapel, warm the car up, push it hard, and it's gonna sound crazy.
If I got the time, I'll try to go.
I'll be going late.
Oh, right.
Nothing before 12.
Jeez, man.
Yeah, because if you go before, then it's tough.
Cops is out.
And shit. That's the first time I've heard it like in the there. Yeah, I've never done that before. Yeah. It sounded really good.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Oh, it's fine.
Right.
Once I get to the 235 though, it'll be perfect. Like it'll be really good.
There's one concern after that drive last night. The car seems to be burning a little bit of oil. I don't know if it's just when it first starts up or if it's all the time. This issue wasn't there before the straight pipe, so I don't know if it's something to be concerned about or not. Been checking the oil levels. The oil is still clear. Usually if you have a lot of blow by, the oil will turn black pretty fast. That's not an issue, obviously, because we have new rings and everything from the rebuild, but it might be something in the head with the valves. We're gonna keep an eye on that for the future. We need to change the back tires. We're going 245 down to 235. We need to get in alignment, get the tach working, and then we can start drifting the car. Subscribe.